Alright, let's be real. Ants are like those uninvited guests who just don't know when to leave. You spot one and suddenly there's a whole parade across your kitchen counter. So how do you send them packing for good? Let me walk you through my tried and true steps for getting rid of ants from your home or shop without going nuclear. Step 1 is all about figuring out why ants are showing up in the first place. 9 times out of 10, they're after food or water. Start by cleaning up crumbs. Wiping spills. Don't leave snacks out. I like to vacuum around baseboards. And under appliances, those are hot spots for ant trails. Step 2, find out where the ants are coming from. Follow their trail, literally. You'll usually spot a line of ants heading to or from a tiny crack or gap. Take note of these entry points. Now let's talk about natural repellents. Ants hate vinegar. I mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and hit the ant trails. Entryways. Countertops. Not only does it wipe out their scent trail, it also keeps things smelling fresh. But what if you need a little more firepower? Commercial ant baits are super effective because ants carry the poison back to their colony. Just make sure to keep them away from kids, pets, and always follow the instructions on the label. You can also whip up a DIY ant trap at home. Mix a spoonful of borax, sugar, a bit of water, soak cotton balls and place near trails, but keep away from pets and kids.